Do you want to expand your vocabulary in seconds? In this video, we will pronounce a new word, explore its meaning and see it in action with your life sentences. Boost your language skills effortlessly, one word at a time. Stay tuned and start speaking with confidence today. This word is pronounced as deteriorated. 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 Let's see its meaning and then its use in sentences. The word deteriorated means to become worse over time or to decline in quality, condition, or value. Let's see its use in sentences. His health deteriorated after he stopped taking his medication. The old building has deteriorated due to lack of maintenance. Relations between the two countries have deteriorated in recent years. The weather deteriorated quickly, turning into a heavy storm. Her eyesight has deteriorated with age. Thanks for watching. I hope you will subscribe to our channel for more lessons. Happy learning, keep learning English vocabulary, pronunciation with us.